It isn't easy to keep a household running. Whether you have babies, kids, teenagers, pets, house guests, or even just yourself, it takes a lot to keep a home clean and safe. Unfortunately, so many of the products that we trust to keep our homes clean are actually exposing us to chemicals and toxins. Cleaning products, personal care products, and even our food can expose us to toxins that put our health at risk. At doTERRA, we believe that nobody should have to play the guessing game when it comes to their home and family safety. Welcome to the doTERRA Natural Home Edit. Join us as we go room by room through the home, uncovering the secret places toxins might be lurking and revealing the simple, natural edits you can make to keep you and your household safe, healthy, and thriving. Get the straightforward, actionable tips that will help you live greener and cleaner, one step at a time. Create the home you want, the kind of home where you can have peace of mind that your family is safe. Welcome to the doTERRA Natural Home Edit. It's time to come home.